we have to change given examples to the fraction. We have given decimal numbers and we need to change them to fraction. How we do this? We have to just read our example. We have 0.79. How we read this decimal number? This is 79 hundredths. Let me write this. This is This is 79 hundredths. When you read this number, it's very easy to write now this number, decimal number, to fraction. Wherever we have after decimal point, we have to write this in the numerator. And what is in our denominator? Hundredths we have. So we need to write 100. So we have 79 hundredths. And because we can not reduce numerator with denominator, this will be solution to the first example. Next example, we have 0.85. So first step is always to read this decimal number. We have 85. Hundredths. So again, whatever we have after our decimal point, we have to write in our numerator, and our denominator is 100. So we have to just write 100 in our denominator, because first digit after decimal point is tenth, next is hundredth. We have only 2 digits, so that's why we have to write hundredths. So next step, we have to check if we can reduce something. We have 85 and 100. The last digit in numerator and denominator is 5 and 0, so we can reduce numerator and denominator by 5. 85 divided by 5 give me 17, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So we can write that this is equal 70 over 20. So this is my solution.